Alright, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to solve some linear equations that are using word problems. So you need to be able to read the word problem and determine what are the important information that you need, what do you not need, and how do you set up the problem like a linear equation and then solve for the missing variable. So this first one, Carson earns $21 each hour of yard work, and after doing a total of 2 hours of yard work, how much will he have earned? So this scenario is not necessarily going to be an equation, but it's going to be more of an expression because we're given a number of $21 for each hour. Whenever I see each or per, that usually means it's a number times a variable, and that variable is going to represent hours of yard work is going to be what our x is going to represent. So let's set that up right now. $21 times per hour is going to be equal to his total. And since we're trying to figure out what the total is, how much will he have earned, all we have to do is plug in our 2 hours of total yard work. And that's going to give us $42 of money. Second one, a person can pay $12 for a membership to the art museum and then go to the museum for just $1 per visit. What is the maximum number of visits a member of the art museum can make for a total cost of $19? So $12 for a total membership, that's going to be kind of your constant that gets added at the end. And then your $1 per visit is going to be that variable. So $1 per visit is your x plus your constant of 12. And you want to see what the maximum number is before you reach $19. So after the $12 membership, when you subtract that on both sides, it's going to take 7 trips to reach a total cost of $19.